money. I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Good morning guys, it is the next day, and as you know, my plan was just to get one beer, maybe some beers, watch the sunset. But then I met a guy, and then we went to Old Man's, way too many beers, and then we went to the sandbar, and I got the 4 hours of sleep, and now I am going to Dojo, to the new members lunch, or breakfast, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
1.5 for 1 year, but then every time you got stopped by the police, you don't need to pay.
So I am done with breakfast now, and that was actually very informative, even though I've been here before. I learned a lot of new stuff about Dojo and about Bali, how to be safe in Bali, how to not be safe in Bali. So yeah, right now I'm going back to get my computer. I didn't think I would have to work right now, but I just noticed that I was assigned a project that I have to deliver tonight. So I'm gonna go back and get my computer and then get a few hours work done before lunch. And that is my plan. This is actually a really nice hotel. Or not a really nice hotel, but for the price, it's just really hard to open the door. This is a view from my room, which is really nice. I swear to you, that door is so I worked for a bit, and then I went out by myself to get a great local lunch very close to my hotel and Dojo. And at night I actually met up with some of the people I'd met at the new members breakfast to get pizza, and it was so nice. And now on to the next day. Morning. Good morning guys. I woke up at 4 in the morning and I haven't been able to sleep since. So now the sun is up, it's almost 7 and I'm down on the beach. I'm gonna take some pictures. I've already taken some pictures for Instagram because I don't really have any friends here to help me. So this is perfect because the lighting is amazing and there are almost no people. So I'm gonna try and take some pictures down here at these rocks. And yeah, really excited. Oh, it's amazing to be up. I'm really not a morning person, but this jet lag is, it's kind of good for me, I think. I wonder how long, oh, okay. I'm gonna run away from the water and set up my camera. So this is my setup and I think it's so cool, but it's really hard to get good pictures because I have to do the self-timer and then run all the way out there. And also I haven't worked out in like months, so I have to be far away. It's so nice. Oh my god, I love it down here when there are no people. This is beautiful. I may become a sunrise person. If only the sunrise was not that early though. I just found another spot that's also right, it's like 10 meters from the first one. Just turn the camera around and I'm here. Check it out. Oh, it's so pretty and there's no one here. There we have the famous sun. Have you heard about it? It's kind of great. Oh my god. But I walked right into a rock on my way down here because it is really early. So we're doing breakfast at Life's Crate, or the old Crate Café, but it moved. So this is a blackout smoothie bowl. And it's so amazing and it's so pretty.
Is that a side? Purple? Or is it?
No, I think it's blueberry.
Blueberry, okay.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's blueberry. Frozen bananas, berries, muesli, grapes, coconut milk, coconut. Woo. So this is the other breakfast, the one that's not mine. Oh, it looks amazing.
Right here.
I'm taking all the pictures as well. Now she's asking you how many liters, I think. We just went to Crate for breakfast and it was really good. And now we are at my friend's Airbnb, which has this really nice pool because my place does not have a pool for the next 2 weeks, which is annoying. But this place is so amazing. Very Instagram friendly. Yeah, and now you're just seeing me again. I'm gonna show you. Trying to figure out how to take pictures in this. It's nope. It is about 6 o'clock and I've been up for 14 hours and I'm so exhausted. But it's been a great day and I've been working a bit. Now I'm sitting on the beach trying to catch sunset, and when I say try, it's because there are a lot of clouds, but it's so beautiful and found a great spot. So I think I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and in that case, we'll see you in my next video. I'll also hear from Bali. Bye!